Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, you already know what time it is, man. It's retwist time. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm about to step out the car right now and show y'all like what's going on with my hair right now. Y'all about to see the before and after. And also make sure you follow my TikTok, because I'm gonna be having some stuff on the retwist on my TikTok too. So TikTok link in the description, also on your screen right now. Make sure you go follow my Instagram, all that type stuff. Drop a like on the video before the video even begins if y'all want to see me get more retwists. I know y'all fuck with the retwist video, so that's why I'm bringing y'all the retwist video. This time I'm gonna take y'all in there with me. Last time I took y'all in there with me on my phone. This time we got the camera, you know what I'm saying? So we got the camera and we got the phone, you dig what I'm saying? So we're gonna do both of that. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's get it, let's go. I'm about to show y'all. I'm just in a location where I just can't get caught lacking. And I know y'all like, y'all gonna be laughing and shit, but nah, like nigga, if you know Decatur, then you know Decatur. It's a deal going on up the street as I speak right now. But I'm about to hop out the car and show y'all niggas what we got, what we working with. Oh fuck! Add a little meme in there. Oh fuck! That's what we working with. About to get this shit washed. Alright, I don't know the exact product that Peanut put on my head, you know what I'm saying? But look, bro, y'all about to see that the product worked. And one thing that I do know is you don't want to use heavy products, you know what I'm saying? This is, I'm talking to y'all from experience, all right? So if you use heavy products in your dreads, bro, all it's gonna do is leave residue. So get you like some good products. All you gotta do is look up some products on Google, bro. It's not that hard to get some dread products, you know what I'm saying? Put the dread products in your head and make sure you massage it into your scalp, massage it into your dreads pretty good. As you see, Peanut is doing a pretty good job right here. And here go the washing results right here. Look, man, just got done with the wash. Feel me? Clean wash, you dig? And as you can see from the wash, I understand that I need a detox. I do need a detox, so I probably will be going to Peanut pretty soon for a detox. But getting straight into this retwist, as you see right here, all he doing is separating it with the comb. And you know what I'm saying? Once he separated with the comb, he basically twist it with his fingers, then palm roll it, and then he puts it into a two-strand twist. You know what I'm saying? So all they keep doing is just keep repeating this process, keep repeating it. And like I'm making this video because like a lot of y'all be asking me like, yo, how did you get your hair like this? How did you get your hair like that? And I'm basically showing y'all, I'm basically giving y'all the tutorial of what he doing like in my head like right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing y'all, and I just want to thank myself for doing a better job of actually putting the camera angle so y'all can see like the motions that he's actually doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna talk the whole time, but I just want to give y'all like clear information now. Also about the dread products, I don't use any dread products on my head. Now look, Peanut, got a shout out to Peanut once again. He got a dread product line that y'all can go fuck with. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go fuck with his Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go mess with his products. He put the product on my head after, like, I'm talking about like once I got up from the dryer. You know what I'm saying? So he put that product in my head. But I'm not gonna talk to y'all, sit here and talk to y'all the whole time. I'm not about to talk y'all head off. But any questions, man, comment anything down below, and make sure you hit me up on Instagram. Simple twisting method. This is the two-strand twist at the same time. He done half of my head right here. I'm just getting like a corner piece towards my head done. Like I said, the same thing. All they do is separate it with the comb, then twist it with the fingertips, then palm roll it, and then put the two dreads together to make a two-strand twist. All right. Alright, so right here, all he doing is putting some mousse on my hair to basically lay my roots down. You know what I'm saying? So after he get done, damn, I can't talk, can I? After he get done, basically twisting my hair, just to lay my roots down, he just add some mousse on there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all this is right here. And after this, I hit up the dryer. Hey man, say man, look. Sheesh. You see the retwist, man? Hey man, a nigga get that retwist, a nigga feel like a new man, you hear me? It is not over. It's not over. We still gotta get the haircut, man. The transformation video is not over. We still gotta get the haircut, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for the whole video, watch the whole video. We getting a shape up later on today. Crispy. I mean, hold up, if y'all can't see it, like the reason I got it up, cause I just got a haircut, but I'm about to let y'all see like the, ooh, this shit hurt too. Ooh, this shit hurt. Ooh, that bitch hurt. Hold on, y'all. It looked like that cause I just had it in the, it looked crazy cause I had it in the ponytail for so long, but look at the fresh retwist. Nah, back in the ponytail. Cause I like my shit in a ponytail, no cap. Bro, I got dreads, so you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna see the cut unless I got a ponytail. You dig what I'm saying? That's how I be fucking with the ponytail. But I'm gonna talk kinda quiet. Everybody is sleeping shit, cause like, I ain't gonna cap. When I got back to the crib, I went straight to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Look at the fade though, man. Shout out Tabby, man. Shout out Tabby, bro. Look at the fade, bro. Shout out to Peanut, shout out Tabby, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Peanut for the retwist. Dig. And shout out Tabby for the cut. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to y'all for sticking towards the whole video. You feel what I'm saying? It's a lot of y'all out there who be like, hey yo Mal, how you get your hair like this? Hey yo Mal, like how you do this and that and third? I'm basically showing y'all. I'm basically giving y'all the steps by steps what I did pretty much for like year and a half. It's approaching 2 years, you know what I'm saying? In February it'll be like 2 years. But yeah man, this is, and the reason I'm bending now cause like my hair is kinda high. But this is, hold on, let me adjust the camera. Hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, that shit should be straight. Alright, now y'all can see. Alright, so look. Hey man, this is the transformation video, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna keep y'all here too long. You dig what I'm saying? But at the same time, hey man, the day has been a long ass day. Okay, I woke up at 7. I really didn't even go to sleep since the last day. You know what I'm saying? But I got ready at 7. You know what I'm saying? I drove, I ain't gonna tell y'all how many minutes away, but I drove a minute away, you know what I'm saying, just to get my hair retwisted. Came back home almost. Shout out to Tabby once again. You feel me? Because I really missed my haircut appointment. Like I was an hour late because I didn't go to sleep for that whole day. So y'all already know how that shit go, bro. You know what I'm saying? But basically what I got is a retwist, a 2-strand twist, you know what I'm saying? And then for my haircut, basically this is a basic bald fade. I ain't gonna count. I usually don't like getting bald fades, but Tabby always get me right no matter what she, you know what I'm saying? No matter what she fuck with a nigga on, I just sit down and chill. She just do her little magic, you know what I'm saying? So if she feel like giving me a drop fade, a low taper, whatever, that's what I work with. But today she gave me a bald fade, you feel me? And also the haircut video is out, so make sure you go watch the haircut video. I mean, That's a part of the transformation. So make sure you go watch that haircut video. I double uploaded for y'all today. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go watch that haircut video. You dig what I'm saying? But no cap, fresh ass lineup, bro. Fresh ass ReTwist. You know what I'm saying? What more can you ask for? You know what I'm saying? So shit, I just gotta put back in the game. I ain't gotta wear my beanie no more. Well, I mean, I'm still gonna rock that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna rock this bitch. But I got some more videos on the way for y'all too. You know what I'm saying? But it's Thanksgiving, so I'm probably shit. I want to film some stuff, but you know how it be, bro. When you around family and shit like that, you usually don't get to be around family. But I'm still gonna bring my equipment just in case. You know what I'm saying? Just in case I gotta film some stuff for y'all. But 30K, man. We on the way to 30K. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button for me down below. Turn on post notifications, man. I appreciate y'all. Without y'all, this wouldn't be possible, okay? And encouraging words, like I always give y'all. Keep your head up. You feel me? Chase after your dreams. I'm the definition of chasing after your dreams. Cause no matter how many times motherfuckers tell me, oh, you doing this, oh, you doing that. You know what I'm saying? I steady chasing after my shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm steady on the ground for my shit. You know what I'm saying? So, and I came from zero just like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I didn't ride nobody, you know what I'm saying, to get where I'm at right now. You know what I'm saying? I started from the seed, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like Mr. Organic say, from the seed, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all. I'm lost for words myself. Oh yeah. Hey yeah. This is what we will be doing. We will be wearing that do-rag tonight. Yeah. Protect the hairstyle and protect the haircut. So when you get your fresh ReTwist, go ahead and throw that do-rag on. You know what I'm saying? But before you throw it on, make sure you get you a little brush, a little session in to lay your hair down. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it, man. I ain't trying to take up too much of y'all time. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all once again. Drop a like, share this video to any dreadhead that you know, or anybody who's thinking about getting dreads, or if you're thinking about getting dreads, man, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. More public interviews on the way for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, peace. Damn. Oh, I forgot. This shit crazy, yo. Shit. Alright, let me stop wasting time. Y'all niggas tripping. Y'all got me tripping, man. And follow all my social medias. Link will be in the description. Instagram, TikTok especially. You feel me? So you want me to upload Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. You dig what I'm saying? Anything that's in the link in the description, make sure you go follow that. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to too, bro. I'll be texting y'all on Instagram too. So yeah. And we catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.